I just got back from a ride on my Lifan KPX 250 and it's cold, winter's coming. So I just want to talk to you a little bit about battery maintainers. I'm getting ready to winterize my bikes here in a little bit. I'll probably do a video on that too. I want to show you the two maintainers that I use. Both of these are available at Harbor Freight. And if you catch them at the right time, which is what I do, I get them when they're on sale. I believe this one was like $6.99, and on sale this one is like $14.95, something like that. About $15 and about $7 to round it off. This one's good for some things. This is good for some things. This is my favorite one, the cheap one, because it keeps the battery charged. I don't have any problems with it whatsoever. I've never had one fail yet. I've had these fail several times. I don't know why, but I like these on some instances, and I'll show you what I use this for. But let me open this up for you so you can see what's inside of it. It's got an easy open thing on the bottom. Okay. This is what it comes with. Here's the charging unit itself. It's got a really long cord on it. Let me undo this. I would imagine it's probably around 7 or 8 feet maybe. See, I'm 6 foot tall. And I'll put this under my foot. So there's 6 foot. Plus another 4 foot, so it's probably about a 10-foot long cable that comes with that, and that's really nice. And you also get a couple other things with it, which is very, very nice. I mean, this is really handy. And once you get this attached on your bike, positive is positive, negative is negative, and it's got a fuse in it in case you have some kind of a short or something. And I can tell you that fuse is nice to have, and I'll tell you why here in just a second. But what you do is you attach this on your battery. You have to remove your side cover, of course, because your battery's behind the side cover. And then once you get your battery exposed, you hook your cables up to your batteries to make like a permanent connection. Then you'll just run this on the outside of your cover and leave it dangle on the outside. And it's got a cap on it that you can put the cap on it to protect it. Okay, but it'll just stay out there every day. You know, you don't ever put it away. It's always out. And then all you have to do whenever it's winter time is you take your charger and you hook these two together on your bike and then plug it in a wall and you're good to go. It's really quick, easy, and simple. I've used these for years. These were my favorite for a long time until these started failing. Maybe they're making them better nowadays. I don't know. But I'm going to continue to use a few of these. But it's nice to have all of this stuff. If you don't want to use this attachment that permanently mounts it on your bike, you can always use the clamps. Quick and easy. Only thing you have to do with this is you have to take the side cover off to put the clamps on. Now the inexpensive one, the $7 one, like I say, this is the one that I use the most. It doesn't come with a lot, but it's just enough to do what you need to do to keep your bike charged. Now this doesn't have a quick coupler on it. This is all it comes with right here. So you have to plug it in the wall. Let me see how long the cable is on this one. Because sometimes the cable length makes a difference because you can't get your bike close to an outlet sometimes, so you need a longer connection. Let's see how long this one is. I'll dangle this one down to the floor, step on it. Now see, this is about a 6 foot long cord, and then this will stretch out some. Might have a couple of feet there, so you might be able to get 8 feet out of that. But you have to take your side cover off to put this onto your battery. It doesn't have the quick coupler on it with this one. And this does have an LED on it that shows fully charged, which is a solid green light, or a blinking light is a charging light, a blinking green light. And then orange is standby, and red flashing is an error or a fault. So that's pretty much all there is to these battery maintainers. They sell these all over the place. I mean, you can get them anywhere. Amazon, eBay, your local farm and home or someplace like that. But I like these Harbor Freight chargers. Don't forget to keep your batteries charged and maintained, especially if you have a alarm system. If you have an alarm system, it causes a parasitic draw, and even during the summer or the months that you can ride and you don't, you leave it sit for 2, 3, 4 weeks or whatever, your battery's slowly draining. So if you're not going to be riding it for a while, even during the summer months, you want to have a maintainer on it. These are very handy to have. They're inexpensive, but they're a good maintenance item. Don't forget to get some of these. All right, that's all I have for you today. I appreciate you coming along. I'll see you on the next one.